The biggest mistake that kept me stuck for years, it wasn't a lack of talent. It was comparing myself to other people. Comparing myself to other people. My friend, I wanna tell you this about my life, about the experience that I lived, and the time I waste a lot, bro. Many times that I waste a lot, bro. And I don't wanna the same for you. I don't wanna the same for you. I promise you. Let me tell you, bro. In my life, I I do, I have so many dreams, and so many things I wanted to do, but I just stuck. I just stay stuck, and I don't take action because I was comparing myself to other people. If I want to do the things, and I'm saying, nah, I'm not good enough. This person is successfully, is better, bro. If, if you comparing your beginning with someone else level 10, you think you're gonna do something. You really think you're gonna do something. Never. Because you're gonna just think about a person is better than you, he do everything right, but you don't know how much sacrifice or how much time he spend in this time to be good at these things. That's why I wanna teach you in this video. Because if you see someone is better than something you wanna do, or is the best of the best in this thing, don't tell to yourself, I'm not good enough. Because if you just have a negative thought about yourself and you think negatively, you never take action. You're never gonna take action. Let me give you this analogy about gym. Bro, I'm a gym guy, bro. I give all examples from the gyms, bro. If if you start to go to gym today and you see my physique, the crazy physique that I have right now, bro, and you comparing your physique to my physique, and you say, oh, this guy is a very muscle, bro. But I look at me, I'm skinny, I got nothing. I just started to go to gym 3 months, 6 months, but this guy is jacked, bro. What do you think you're gonna do, bro? You're gonna how can I say, you're gonna leave, bro. You're never gonna continue go to the gym, or you're never gonna keep doing. You're never gonna keep doing because you're comparing your beginning to my level 10, bro. Maybe you don't know how much sacrifice, or how much time, how much years I spent to build this physique, bro. That's how I like to say the best person who you have to compare yourself is who you were yesterday. Who you were yesterday. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Not on Instagram person, or actor, or your friend. Now, just you, bro. Comparing yourself, just you. Bro, the thing is though, I wanna you I want you understand this thing about everything in this life, bro. If you wanna do something, if you wanna be good at something, the only things you need to do is just put in the work. Put in the work put in the work and do the repetition again and again and again. Even if you don't see the result, bro. As I talk about gym early, bro. Is the is gym go to gym teach me something you just cannot keep doing even if you don't see the result, bro. Even if I don't see my body change, I just keep going. I keep doing, bro, every day, bro. Whenever, no matter what, bro. I don't care if I or not I go to gym for 1, 3, 6 months, bro. Just go, bro. Just go. Just do the work every day. Just do a repetition, bro. Don't focus on result, bro. Don't focus on result, bro. Because if you try to compare yourself to other people, you don't see the sacrifice. You don't see the result. You don't see the time you spend on it. You just see the result, bro. That's why you stuck and you don't take action. You don't go forward, and you lose confidence or you lose motivation, bro. Comparing myself to other people don't motivate me. Don't motivate me. But it motivates me in other side. I can say, maybe, maybe if you wanna be a big soccer or big footballer like Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, or you wanna be a good basketball player, a big basketball player in the world like Jordan, LeBron James, you can't compare yourself to this person because he's inspiring you. That person inspiring you. LeBron James inspiring me. I wanna be like him. And that thing, that type of comparison is different because you're comparing positively, not negatively. You think about yourself. If that person can do the things, why can't I do it? Why? He's a human like you, human being like you. And like I said, he's practicing more than you. That's why he's better than you. And if you wanna be in the same level at your I can say your coach or your mentor or your you have to practicing more than everybody. Practicing more than everybody. And I promise you, you're gonna improve. And I wanna add this part. Maybe I forgot at the beginning of video, but I was I have so many dreams. But I wanna tell just about one dream that I have. It is becoming a boxer, bro. That's things I dreaming a lot in my youngest, bro. Becoming a big boxer, professional, and a big champion in the world. But now, this dream, I know it can never be, it can never be reality, bro. Now I have a waist pain, bro. Waist pain like a rubbing my hand. I can't. I started boxing recently, and the pain be really hard, strong, so I stopped it, bro. But I'm not saying I start boxing to become professional, just to like do just use try new things, and I like it though. I like it though. But the thing is though, it was one of my dreams before. But sometimes when you grow up, I think your mindset, how you see your future, many things change. Many things change, I think. And in your 20s, maybe you are 16, 17, 20 years old, bro. You want to do something, and you see someone else is best, is better than these things. Don't think negative. You can just ask that person if you want. Don't be jealous or negative thoughts, bro. Approach the person, bro, my sister, you really good at these things. I wanna learn. I wanna do like you. How you do that? He can tell you. He can tell you easily, or just inspire. He just practicing more and take the person inspiring you and motivate you to push him hard. I promise you. I promise you. That's the only way you can compare yourself to other people. So if you watch this video, you think I'm not good enough at this thing. I wanna do YouTube, but I'm not good at YouTube. I wanna start playing basketball. I'm not good. Um, I wanna, bro. Everything you want, everything you think in your mind, you wanna do it. You wanna do it, bro. You can do it if you believe in yourself and you put in the work, more repetition, more repetition, bro, more reps, bro, more practice, bro, more video than I record, bro. I have to do more video, bro, and I have to speak more to improve my English speaking, bro. More, bro. Now working harder, bro. Working smarter, bro. I'm not saying working harder, working smarter. I promise you, it's work. It's work. Like I say, if something works for me, bro, I try it work for me. I'm gonna tell you, try it too, bro. It's work, bro. Like I say, every step counts. Stay strong. Bye bye.